Hi there, today I'm going to introduce you a magic function in Excel. Vlookup, index match, gsum count, sum ifs. These are major difficult functions to use. But now you can discard these functions. I mean, just forget them and don't use them again after watching this shortcut video. Let's start with Vlookup functions execution. Now delete these previous functions. I want to look up staying days of Cairo 5 by using Vlookup function. I will write first argument Cairo here, and then VL. Insert first argument, table array here, and column index 2. 0. Now I can see Cairo 5 days. With new magic function filter equal filter, can we get the same result? The answer is yes. Let's try now. 3LA equal FI. Double click. First argument, days, the result area. Include city list equal array. Now we can get the same result. CAIRO, Cairo. As you can see, we can same result. Vlookup filter. So we do not need to use Vlookup anymore. Second round function against filter is index match. Index match is a famous function for its complexity. It's a left side looking function that Vlookup cannot do. If you give values, can you get friends? Let's try it. Country, PAR, varies, INDEX. Match, varies. Now you can see the Paris, France. How about filter function? By using filter function, we can get the same result. FI. The result area here include C equal Paris. As you can see, we do not need to use index match anymore because filter is a more powerful function than index match, I think. Go to third round. Third round function against the filter will be the sum function. This sum function is a database function, so I need to make a criteria first. Country USA. This is criteria for this calculation. Days will be 105, a total of 100 to 21. The sum starts the sum. Double click. Database, select field 1, 2, 3. Criteria, country USA. Then, as you can see, we get the 105 here. So without this criteria area, we can get the days of this total. But filter is a little different. Filter is not the database function. So without that, without criteria area, we can get the same total from database. Let's see fi filter. Then the result area will be, of course, days, and include area here equal USA. Then we can get all records 100 to 21. Different? I know, but wrap this function with the sum, then 105. I think filter is a little better than this sum, because this is more convenient than this sum function, because this sum function is need to write the criteria, but without criteria area, we just wrap the function result